In this video, you will learn about how to create a moving checklist. So for that, the video is going to be very comprehensive. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. First thing first is that you have to start up with some kind of a thing that you are going to be making checklist of. So over here, the context is about a planning of a birthday party. Over here, you will see all the prompt that I've given for the birthday party, the blueprint for the master birthday party, and after that you will see that I have asked for the suggested gift. And then once I have researched and have all the relatable context ready, for example, you guys can see the blueprint of the birthday party over here. It means that I have the whole context ready. After that, I said to make the moving checklist, and you will see that it's in a decreasing order because it goes from 8 weeks out to the 6 weeks out, 4 weeks out, 2 weeks out. Planning goes like how it goes. And 2 days out, day before, final hour before guests arrive, during the party, and the backup kit. So this is how it goes. I hope you find this very helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.